I have a very attractive referral scheme for my existing customers, but it is still not effective. Well, you are not alone. I heard this from many business owners. They say they provide good service to their existing clients. They have a very attractive referral incentive scheme. The sales team explains this to every customer, but still, I don't get sufficient referrals. मैं क्या करूं? Hi business owners, this is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series क्या करूं, specially recorded for you. I'm very glad that you have a high focus on getting sales through referrals. A Nielsen study shows 92% of prospects trust referrals. Another report suggests business from referrals has 70% higher conversion rate and takes almost 60% less effort to close. So there is no doubt having a good referral marketing program is the most efficient way of generating business. The thing I want to talk about is that often business owners focus a lot on bringing out a good referral scheme, but give less than adequate attention to other aspects of referral marketing. Now, referral scheme is an important component, but it's just one component of what I would like to call as a full referral program. Let me elaborate the essential steps for a successful referral program. The first step is to get referral ready. To get referral ready, start with identifying your ideal prospects. Who's your core segment, or which are the most potential segments for your business? What do they value most? What are their needs? In turn, what are their circles of influence? Who are their customers? Who are their associates? Who are their social friends? Are these circles of influence also your core market? While it is likely to be the case, but do not assume, study this. For example, if you are in the business of selling and servicing a 70 lakh car and you sell one to a large accounting firm, the accounting firm in turn may be dealing with large number of small clients only, and those small clients are not your segment. Or maybe they are dealing with clients similar to your target segment. Your approach to referral selling in these two cases will be very different. So please do this study of your client segments and their circle of influence in turn. The next preparation you must do is to create referral collaterals. It could be a pamphlet, a section in your website, a standee in your service setup, a standard set of emails or messages which will go to your clients. These collaterals should explain the philosophy behind your referral scheme. The scheme itself will come later and may change often. Example, getting a referral is a proof that you as a customer are happy with us. Do tell us about it and tell your friends too. Or we offer the best technical advice. If you experience it, do tell your friends. You can even promise those who come through your reference and tell them that, dear clients, we will treat the references you give us in a very special manner. The next important preparation is to put down your sales and service process in line with the promise you make in the previous step. Train your people, make templates to track delivery, Set up a review process. Get the right IT tools in place. Depending on the size and nature of your business, you may even want to set up a CRM system or allocate a person who tracks all the referrals. Once you are ready with the backend, it's now time to launch the referral scheme. Create a reward program for each segment. Remember, your reward program must meet the customer expectation, not only in financial terms, but often in emotional terms also. For instance, a reward for the person referred by your client may sometimes work even better than the reward for the client who referred it. So study this carefully and create a reward scheme from time to time appropriate to the customer segment that you are dealing with. To keep the interest alive on your referral schemes, you may have to keep doing exciting things. For instance, Diwali special referral scheme, or New Year special referral scheme, or a special referral scheme for chartered accountants or doctors or whatever. Identify in your business process what are the right timings to ask for referral. Most businesses assume wrongly that the right time is at the time of close of transaction. Once you sell, raise the invoice, it's the best time to ask for referral. No. In some businesses, example technical consultancy, the right time may be when you submit your proposal. While you may or may not get the deal due to various reasons, the high quality of your proposal may itself command asking for a referral. In an automotive dealership, the best time may be when the car visits for service. You do a very good service and you ask for referral. So identify the various touch points based on your strength, based on your business, based on your service cycle, and decide which touch points are the best and then simply go for them. Finally, there are things you must do post getting a successful referral. Most businesses stop at sending a thank you note and of course delivering the benefit they have promised. Well, depending on your business, keep the client who referred another customer to you well informed on how you are doing with his reference. For instance, if you have a system of getting customer satisfaction measured at the end of a transaction, just inform the client the good score his reference has given. If the referred client gives another reference in turn to you, do thank the original client again. Set up a system to keep the clients connected through references in a common loop. Do something special. Example, in a car workshop, declare a free wash for these connected customers. Such small gestures post getting a successful reference can have a multiplier effect and get you many more references. To summarize, while it is important to have a good reference scheme, it is only a small part of your reference marketing strategy. You need to first set up your systems and get them ready for managing reference sales, then execute the promises efficiently, and lastly, ensure you do have some exciting activities for the connected set of customers to delight them, to bring them together and encourage them to expand the community. Hope this Kya Karu video will help you get more and more sales through references. Thank you very much.